Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 5 best and affordable eyeliner which are under 150, which are available in 2020. Hope you all like this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And most importantly, subscribe to my channel Swara Kaile.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time,